All right. I hope you can hear me, Kaz. So when you sign into my account, just go to the pinned class on top, which is Family 110, Section 10. And then you get to go to the discussion board. And I need you to grade week 4 discussions. So this is week 4. And so right here it tells you what to do. So use that to look and see what the rubric is, I guess. So they just need to write that they practiced the technique, and they don't have to respond to others. So if you click on this little arrow and go to Assess Topic, then you're going to have the whole list right here. So you click on Topic Score under them, and it shows you he had 1 thread. And so I just kind of look, and honestly with this one, if they just say I did it, like this was an interesting experience, I obviously can tell they did it. So I'm going to just give him a 10. And then I'm going to publish score on save, and save and close. And overwrite, and done. And then you can go to the next one. And then when you're done with whatever section you're doing right now, or all of them, you just click save and close. And that should be that one. And just so Mom knows, I do read through all of these. That's why I don't read through them when I'm grading them. She thinks her professors don't read her discussion boards. I do read them. Just not going to read them again when I'm grading them. I read them enough to see that they did it. Okay, so then this next one, this is also lesson 4, Hearts Right discussion. These ones are split up in groups, so this gets a little more tricky. So you go hit the arrow on group 1, click on Assess Topic. Now here you can see at the top it says we're in group 1. Then it says View By. You're going to want to click Groups and Apply. And then group 1, and make sure that's being clicked on Apply. So then when you switch to group 2, you just group 2 and make sure you hit Apply. Right? So ignore the set 1 and set 2. It's just discussion groups 1 through 6. So then when you do that, and you click on their name, and you can tell, so with this one they had to answer certain topics and then reply to 2 other people. So I see that it says here 1 thread, 3 replies. So I know she replied to 3 other people. Then I look at the thread 1 and I make sure that they address it. So I think for this one they needed to choose one of 3 questions and answer 1 about video 1. So they watched a video of like a counselor counseling a couple, and they pick a question and answer it in regards to that video. And then they watch Mr. Incredible's clip, and they pick another question and answer in regards to question number 2. So they should copy and paste the questions in. So if they don't, then I take off a point and say points lost for not following formatting instructions. So maybe I will even do that one for this one so you can copy and paste that. But I need to just double check. So I pressed Control and then clicked on it to open another tab, so that can make it easier if you're wondering what is the requirement. So this says, once you have read for each video, respond to one of the questions. Then respond to your group members by asking each other questions and commenting on their posts. So I guess they don't have to post in. There's not a formatting requirement for this one, so that's fine. Alright, so then you assess group 1, and then you can go back to discussions. Click save first, and then you go back down, and now let's do group 2. So you click the arrow, assess topic, and then because you did group 1 and now you're on group 2, which it shows you right here, you're on group 2, and you need to make sure to go to group 2 and apply. If you forget to do that and you're in group 1 but you've clicked, it says group 2 up here, but you're only in group 1, when you click on this it will show that they didn't do anything. When you click on the next one, it'll show that they didn't do anything. So you'll know. Don't freak out about it. You'll figure it out. yeah, so then you just click on it, and so they have 1 thread and 2 replies, so I know they get the points for replying. And then looks like he pretty much did the 1 thread, like I can tell just by looking at there. So the counselor video, actually maybe he just did the counselor, no, he did the counselor and Incredibles video for each question, so he gets full points, right? So I guess I can do that. Sorry, I already looked at it, might as well do it. So if they don't respond to 2 other people, I take off 2 points for every non-response. So if they didn't respond, maybe I'll just put this in the email, but if they only respond to 1 person, then I take off 2 points. Or if they didn't respond to anybody, I take off 4 points and say points lost for not responding to your classmates' posts. So I hope that helps you understand. Sorry, this was kind of long. Thank you so much.